Take command of the road in the 2017 Ford Explorer. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, power front seats, and cruise control. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.